So we're just getting ready to go into Slab City. All three of us are headed out there. We got Betsy and Gerard following us.
This is our caravan.
This is our little caravan because apparently we missed the caravan.
So we're going to see Salvation Mountain, Slab City, and East Jesus.
So it's closed right now.
That's awesome. Grease through understand. Slab recycling. Yeah, that's Salvation Mountain. The guy came out here and built that. We'll get it. We'll park out and we'll walk around this whole area. So we finally made it to Slab City. We're here at Salvation Mountain. This is awesome. Say hi. You know what? Yeah. As far as I know, there are no rules or laws, so Pat can come out. Right?
There's big signs that said dogs welcome, you know.
There you go.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of we finally made it to Salvation Mountain in Slab City?
I love it.
Yeah. Did you see it over the hill too? The cross?
No,
Yeah.
I didn't.
All of a sudden I was like, there it is.
You lost?
Yep.
Yeah. I do the same thing 2 or 3 times.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Just a boat. That's pretty cool. Hi, Pat. Poor bubbies. Wow. Oh, yeah? Yeah, you follow the yellow brick road.
This is closed, only watch out for snakes.
Oh, that's close to me.
There's a couple places up here you can go in. That's too bad couldn't go in there with all the rooms and windows. Glad became what it can. Looks like it's kind of falling apart a little bit.
And can you hold him?
Yeah.
I can go take a couple pictures.
Hold on.
Needs to be able to go through here.
Yeah. No, I've seen a video.
Oh, okay.
And they said, yeah, follow the yellow brick road.
That's why it's all cracked up. The rest of it.
Yeah. Here comes Susan, taking some pictures. Oh. Get a picture of the Slab City. We have to come back out so we get like a little Jesus monument.
So you claim a slab. Is the slab just a spot?
Yeah. This used to be a military base. And there's some, like, actually cement slabs. That's why it got the name of Slab City.
Oh, there's a bunch of junk over there.
Yeah. That's where you can start collecting to build.
Oh, you build your house out of junk?
Yeah. Well, look, you see him, don't you?
Yeah, there's some junk.
Like, he gets a ball wire fence. This looks like abandoned, but it's probably not. We got the door open to get air, alright?
I'm thinking.
Somebody lives there. They're kind of out of place.
Who's that? Oh, these guys? Probably ran across a good deal. They're numbered.
Oh, yeah. Entire fence around the slab.
Wow, there's people way out there. Sparkly.
Last year we got a lot of hay bales. Really, no, that's perfect. There's the chairs. Stuff everywhere, huh? Welcome to Slab City, homemade, scrap, something. Really get them more open.
Oh, watch where you're going. Look at all the solar on that place.
There's the rabbit hole. There's the skate park is over there.
Yeah, people are living here.
Yeah.
This is their house. This is their thing. There's a lot of them out here doing it. Still kind of surprised about it.
That's just a bunch of like sayings and stuff.
Needs water, weed. Look, he needs water, weed, and something or other.
There's somebody has a bunch of solar and stuff, and they do all charging and stuff for people.
Huh? These stripy vans out here. Their
Yeah.
buses.
Yeah.
A lot of people have big solar banks.
Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If so, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We need you. Have a great day and we'll see you soon.